Ooh, let me explain. Where your pain is located doesn't say exactly where the pain problem is sourced from, where it's coming from. Now, for example, if I hit my elbow, yes, it swells, it's pain, that's probably the problem. But when it comes to spine, there's a lot more compensations and adaptations that your body is doing. So yes, you might have pain on the left side, but we actually feel the restriction on the right side. So by treating the right side, we can make the left side improve. We don't always just rub a boo-boo. We have to find what the problem is, how it's balancing with the body to make it improve.